All right, guys, we're back. Next day, we are about to take the car to go get wheel lined. I just put it on the floor and have a look at it. The angle kit looks amazing. Heaps of camber. The track is wide as. Now, it's a bit wide for the guards, but, you know, it doesn't matter. I'm going to sort that out later. But also, look how low it is. This thing is slammed. It's actually sitting lower than what it was before. So if you see, it's sitting on the jack. So I've got to raise it back up and take the wheel off and adjust the coil over. I've got to lift it up maybe an inch and a half. So I'm going to do that now so I can get ready to take it to the wheel alignment. All right, so let's go. There you are, guys. Raised it 3 centimeters and there's perfect clearance there. Enough for when the car wants to dip down, it's not going to destroy the guard. And heaps. The jack has clearance now, which is great. Now it's time to put the oil in it, bleed the brakes, put on the trailer and take it to get wheel lined. Let's go! All right, guys, we're about to start it now. It's the first time it's been started in months since I put it in the garage. I got everybody here. Everybody's here waiting for the moment. Now, it's time to start her.
No way!
And she's done.
Look at that, right up.
Wow. I can't believe it's on now. Now we're going to get it loaded on the trailer so we can take it to get a wheel alignment. I can't wait. The drift day is tomorrow. We are almost there. We've got to put the glass in. We have things we need to do. But right now it's wheel alignment time. Guys, it's almost 4 in the morning. Yeah, it's 4:15 in the morning and we just finished the car. Finished putting all the lights on. We've put the glass in. It's been wheel aligned. Oh my God, this was intense getting it ready for this track day, and it's still not finished. Like, there's still no rebar, there's still no side skirts, there's still no body kit, but that's not going to stop me from drifting today. And it looks like it's about to rain. So now it's time to pack it up, get a few hours sleep, and then get into it. So stay tuned. It's your boy. Peace.
doing, bro?
Bro, we just got the car off the trailer. Now we're about to adjust the handbrake because it's the new master cylinder I put in it. It's a bit tough. So it's currently locking the tyre, so I need to adjust it, but I need to do some modifications to it in order for it to work. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna go on the track. That's what's gonna happen. We finally got the car ready. We are at Sydney Motorsport Park. It's about to go on the track. It's such a late start because the track finishes at 3, so in an hour. So we've got an hour to take it on the track and test it to see how the new suspension setup feels, the tyres, all the rest of it. And let's just go have some fun. Let's go, bro.